Hello dear students, welcome to the English session. Our today's topic is a very interesting topic of grammar, reported speech, and we are going to talk about the statements. Now let us take a look at the screen. We have two characters on the screen, Riya and Rohit. Now Riya comes and talks to Rohit. She says, I am planning a Christmas party on 25th December. This conversation comes under the category of direct speech. Let us take a look at another scenario. Rohit goes to Amit and tells him what Riya told him. Riya told me that she was planning a Christmas party on 25th December. Now here we would say that this conversation lies in the category of indirect speech. Let us move ahead and try to understand it better. Let us talk about direct speech first. Direct speech is a word-to-word repetition of what the speaker or writer has conveyed. When we talk about direct speech, it shows a person's exact words, what the person has said exactly as it is, the direct speech is written or said. Quotation marks are a sign that the words are the exact words that a person used. Let us take a look at the example. Riya tells Rohit, I am planning a Christmas party on 25th December. This is direct speech, right? Here I am not using the quotation marks because these pictures convey who is the speaker and who is the listener. Let's move to indirect speech. Indirect speech conveys a report of something that was said or written rather than the exact words that were spoken or written. To understand it better, let us take a look at the example. Riya told me that she was planning a Christmas party on 25th December. So this will come under the category of indirect speech. Let us take a look at some of the more examples. I said Sam is driving the car. I said that Sam was driving the car. Let us observe the two sentences. Let us try to find out what all changes we have made. Now, first thing, these quotation marks, they are gone. Then this comma is omitted. We have used the word that to connect the indirect part to the direct part. And one very important change, that is the change in the tense of the sentence. Here it is present continuous tense and we have changed into past continuous. Let us see the next sentence. Meera said, I am not feeling well. We'll write it as Meera said that she was not feeling well. Now here the word I has been turned into she. This is pronoun change. Why we have changed I to she? For that we look at the speaker of the sentence and that is Meera. Meera is a girl. So I will change into she. The next sentence, Luke said, I can do this homework. Luke said that he could do that homework. Now here what we have done is I has changed into he according to the speaker and the speaker is Luke. Can has changed into could. This has changed into that. Let us take a look at the next set of sentences. And these two sentences that you see on the screen, they come into the bracket of universal truths. Now the first sentence, Mohit said, Switzerland is a very beautiful country. Now when we convert it into indirect sentence, we'll say, Mohit said that Switzerland is a very beautiful country. Now we haven't changed the tense. It was simple present here. It is simple present here also. Why? Because this is a universal truth. And if we come into the subcategory, this is a geographical truth. It will remain unchanged. Moving to the next sentence, the maths teacher said 3 divided by 3 is 1. We'll write the maths teacher said that 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now, this will come under the category mathematical truth. So, these are some of the exceptions. We have to keep them in mind while conversion. Let us take a look at some of the important conversions that are going to really help us when we are converting a direct sentence into an indirect sentence. Let us take a look at some of the important points to be noted when we are converting a direct speech into an indirect speech. Let us talk about pronouns first. If we have I in the direct speech, according to the speaker, we will change it into he or she. In case of you at the place of subject, it will change into he, she or they. If you has been used at the place of object, it will turn into him, her or them. Your changes into his, her or their. My changes into his, her or their. Myself changes into himself, herself or themselves. We becomes they. Us becomes them. Now, let us take a look at the words which denote time and position. This becomes that. These changes into those. Now becomes then. Ago changes into before. Last night turns into the previous night. Next day changes into the following day. Today becomes that day. Yesterday becomes the previous day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Next week changes into the following week. Last week changes into the previous week. And here becomes there. So these are some of the important points that you must keep in mind, and they are going to really help you. Here we come to the end of today's session, and before I leave you, I am going to share with you a task, and the task is that you should frame 5 questions in direct speech and try to convert them into reported speech. Till we meet next time, take care.